Next question. Question number 4 in the same exercise. Previously I taught the third question, second and third. Now question number 4 in exercise 1.2. So what are the terms you have to find out? First, an arrow diagram. An arrow diagram, a graph, a set in roster form. Three things you have to find in both conditions what they are given. First sum based on this equation. Second sum based on the equation, and one more condition is given. One by one we will see now. Okay. So first one, x comma y, where x is equal to 2y, x belongs to 2, 3, 4 and 5, whereas y belongs to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, take out the first solution now. Solution for first one. Okay, Roman letter 1. What the terms is given? X equal to 2y. X equal to 2y. The even given equation is x equal to 2y. Now we have to substitute all these four values in place of y. In place of y. Y இந்த இடத்துல இந்த நாலு values substitute பண்ணி different x's என்ன கிடைக்குது? So first of all, take it out. X, y, because based on y only we will get that x. Y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Then what will we get? X. X equal to 2 into 1. What will we get? 2. Second, y equal to, take down that second value. So it implies, so x equal to 2 into 2. In place of y, you have to substitute this value. So what will we get? 4. Like that, y equal to 3. It shows that x equal to 2 into 3. Multiply 6. Y equal to 4. Then x equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8. So based on the equation x equal to 2y, in place of y, what are the values is given, you have to substitute. They are given 4 values, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So likewise here I substitute 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are getting, by substituting this, all the values of y, 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will get that what? Multiply this, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are and 2 4s are. So we will get one of the answers. After forming that, you have to follow this. What the question has to find? An arrow diagram. இதில் முதல் கொஸ்டினில் கேட்கக்கூடிய கொஸ்டின் வந்து என்னது? A. Arrow diagram. You have to put a heading. Then only we can understand. Arrow diagram. How we have to draw the arrow diagram? By simple parabola like this. Okay, you have to write that here one of the parabola symbol and another parabola symbol. Here you have to write the x value, here you have to write the y value. What are the x value is given? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Y will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4. But அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறது என்ன? First, you have to write that x value is what? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And what the terms is there? X value here you have to write, not here. Y value here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here there will be a x value 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, x, y. Should 1 will get 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, not 2, 4, 6, given 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 2 3 4. So if you substitute 2, what is the answer you are getting? 1. If you y value is 1, you are getting the answer as 2. Okay, put the arrow mark for them. Put the arrow mark for them. Then what is the answer? If you substituting 3, 6, there is no 6. If you substitute 4, not the same. If you substitute 4, you will get as 2. 4 will be 2. 4 will be 2. 3 substitute panna 6. 4 substitute panna 8. Okay, y value, if you substitute 2, you are getting x as 4. X as 4. Y will be 2. X as 4. If you take as y value as 3, y value is 3, you will get more than this, 6 and 8. Okay, in place of 6 and 8, there is no terms is given. You have to write only these two things. No need, because y will get that what? 1 and 2. If you substitute 3, you will get 6. There is no term 6 in there, because 2, 3, 4, 5 only will given. So only these two arrow mark you have to put. Now take out the second step, a graph. B. Graph. As usual, we have to put that x axis and y axis. You know that previous class I told about that this is the x axis and this is the y axis. You should not, no need to draw in a graph sheet. As usual, you can name x axis, y axis, x axis and y axis. So we have only 1 2 3 4 5. We can write as usual 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. 1 2 3 4 5. So maximum will get that 5 for x value and y value. So where you have to place? X value will be 2, y value will be 1. So this will be x, this will be y. Okay, x value will be 2, y value will be 1. Where you have to place? X value will be 2, y value will be 1. Here you have to mark a point. What is that? 2, 1. 2, 1. So still I write big 2, 1. Now second. So what is the value of x? 4. Y value is what? 2. So 4, 2. 4, 2. 4 is there in place of x. 2 is there in place of y. So here we have to write what? 4, 2. This is called as a graph for the given question. Next, question number 3. A set in roster form. A set in roster form. Okay, so R equal to other roster form. Write the heading first. Roster form. Roster form. You have to write in roster form. Question number C in first things. How we had, what you substitute, what will be get? X oda value 2 ஆ இருக்கும்போது y value வந்து 1. X oda value 4 ஆ இருக்கும்போது y oda value வந்து 2. So in the same way we have to write what the things you have drawn in the graph. So Z or R, whatever the letters you can put, Z equal to. So 2, 1, 4, 2. So this is called as a roster form. So I have proved the first answer now. Okay, in this question I proved these 3 concepts for the first things. Okay, again I will revise. See fast. So x equal to 2y. This is the terms is given in the question. Okay, x terms is given, y terms is given. Y value in place of this equation, if you substitute that, you will get this answer. Y oda மதிப்பு இந்த இடத்துல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணும்போது x ஓட விடை வந்து எல்லாத்துக்கும் கிடைக்கும். 4 நம்பர் இருக்கு, 4 நம்பருக்கும் விடை கிடைக்கும். சரி, இந்த ஆன்சர் கிடைச்ச உடனே என்ன பண்ண சொல்றாங்க? Ask them to write an arrow diagram. This indicate as an arrow diagram. Okay, write all the x terms, write all the y terms, x terms and y terms, but only two answers you are getting, not other two answers is possible. Okay, y oda value இந்த இடத்துல 1 substitute பண்ணும்போது x வந்து 2 கிடைக்குது, 2 substitute பண்ணும்போது 4 கிடைக்குது, 3 substitute பண்ணும்போது 6 கிடைக்குது, 4 substitute பண்ணும்போது 8 கிடைக்குது. ஆனால் இங்கே 6ம் 8ம் கிடையாது. That's why no need to draw the arrow for that. Only for two values is possible to draw the arrow diagram. Suppose I am getting the answer as either 3 and 5 here, we can put this. But no, 6 and 8 is there in this list. So that's why when you put y value as 1, you are getting 2. Y value as 2, you are getting 4. If you put 3, you are getting 6. But there is no 6. Only these two value you have to put. For these two things, you have to draw the graph. Okay, put the x-axis, y-axis. Approximately, you mark that. Don't change and mark. Think this as x and this as y. Already we done in so many graphs. Okay, this is the x-axis. அதாவது horizontal line, vertical line சொல்லுவோம். Horizontal line ல இருக்கிறது x-axis, vertical line ல இருக்கிறது y-axis. Okay, and third question, a set in roster form, what the pairs you have made, that the things you have to write in a roster form. It's clear? Okay. Now we move on to second question. Second question, I will give the clue, try it as a homework in this list. Okay, see that same model only. You have to find out what? Instead of this equation, you have to put this equation. Y equal to x plus 3. But what the condition is there? Natural number less than 10. இந்த மாதிரி நம்பர்லாம் கொடுக்கல, அதுக்கு பதிலாக வார்த்தையில் கொடுத்துறாங்க. they given in the words. Natural number less than 10 means 1 to 9 you have to take. 1 to 9 you have to take. So here you have to put what? 1 to 9. And what are the answers you are getting for this? By substituting this equation. By substituting the equation. Instead of that, you have to write this equation. You substitute from 1 to 9, but not y. Y only are getting x. X is what? X, y are natural number less than 10. ரெண்டுமே 10 தான், 10 கம்மி. ஏன்னா என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? ஆர் நேச்சுரல் நம்பர், திஸ் பிலாங்ஸ். இது வந்து என்ன கண்டிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? லெஸ் தென் 10. ஸோ you should not take 0. From 1 to 9, x value you have to take, substitute that, you will get all the 9 values in this equation, and then draw the arrow diagram. Here also you have to write 1 to 9, here also you have to write 1 to 9, but what are the answers you are getting? For that you put arrow mark, then you have to put the graph. You will get 9 pairs like this. 2 pair you will get, like that you will get what? Put 10 numbers, here also put 10 numbers and make it as a pair and try it by yourself. Very easy. When come after looking this, then only will be possible to clearly understand. Okay, only things is what? You have to take 1 to 9 for x value as well as y value and substitute here, and here will be x, here will be get y, all other things will be same. Arrow diagram, graph as well as set of ordered pairs. Here 1 to 9 will come, 1 to 9 will come, and here 9. What are the answers you are getting? You have to mark the point 9 places, and here 9 set of ordered pairs will come. So only the difference is what? The condition is given natural number less than 10. You should take 0 to 9 in both x and y. X லையும் எடுத்துக்கணும், y லையும் அதே மாதிரி. So try by yourself. So last question in this exercise. Okay, 1.2 la next question adoda exercise mudiyudu. Just look at it, very very big question, and the question eludradhukku it will take so much time. I am reading the question, you just note it. A company has 4 categories, okay, accountant, executive officer, clerk and manager. Each will get some different salary, each will get different salary. ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் தனித்தனியாக salary கொடுக்குறாங்க. அக்கௌண்டன்ட்டுக்கு வந்து 10,000 சம்பளம் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் கிளர்க்குக்கு வந்து 25,000 சம்பளம் கொடுக்குறாங்க. மேனேஜருக்கு வந்து 50,000 சம்பளம் கொடுக்குறாங்க. எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் ஆஃபீஸருக்கு 1 lakh salary கொடுக்குறாங்க. 1 lakh salary கொடுக்குறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ ஹவு we can represent? So see the question, very big question, read carefully. Okay, first how we can split this? Accountant will get 10,000 salary. 5 accountants are there in the company. So we have to write that set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. Okay, how many accounts are there? 5 accounts person are there. They are getting 10,000 as a scale. 10,000 as a scale. Okay, 10,000. Take this as A1. 10,000 ரூபாய் சம்பளம் வாங்குறாரு யாரு? அக்கவுண்ட் 1 அப்படின்ற பர்சன். அடுத்தது ரெண்டாவது அக்கவுண்ட், அவரும் எவ்வளோ வாங்குறாரு? 10,000 வாங்குறாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட் அக்கவுண்ட் தேர்ட் பர்சன், he is also getting 10,000. Then account 4 is also getting 10,000 and account person 5 is getting 10,000. அந்த கம்பெனியில் 5 பேர் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸ் வேலை செய்கிறாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து 10,000 ரூபாய் சம்பளம். நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கிளர்க்கு மொத்தம் எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. கிளர்க் மொத்தத்துக்கு 4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் 25,000 ரூபாய் சம்பளம். அதை எப்படி எழுதலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 25,000 C1, 25,000 C1, 25,000 C2, 25,000 C3, like that 25,000 C4. 4 clerks is getting 25,000. Next, manager, 3 managers are there, they are getting 50,000. 50,000, 3 managers, 3 பேரும் 50,000 ரூபாய் சம்பளம் வாங்குறாங்க. கமா வந்து இங்கே ஏன் போடலாம், கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகக்கூடாது. ஓகே, 50,000 M1, 50,000 M2, 50,000 M3. Then last, sales executive. இது ஒண்ணே முடிச்சிருக்கீங்க. Sales executive is getting 1 lakh. Sales executive is get that 1 lakh. 2 பேர் வந்து 1 லட்சம் ரூபாய் சம்பளம் வாங்குறாங்க. நான் அப்புறம் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுறேன்.